How to build a booking system in C language. But why C, when now we have high-level languages and many platforms that can give you all the cool-looking UI you want? Well, first of all, I'm preparing for a technical exam in C language. And second, once in a while you should program in a low-level language to appreciate the high-level ones. Without further ado, let's get started. We have a little project for booking movie tickets. It all depends on menu navigation using arrow up and arrow down. First, you choose the movie name. Then, you get another menu to choose the appointment you want. After that, you choose the ticket type, VIP, middle or regular. Then you enter how many tickets you need. If I typed, for example, 20, it gave me the message, invalid count, tickets limit is 10, please enter a valid number. So you type 10 tickets or less, and then the billing summary appears with all the information you choose. Have a good movie and happy watching. Now it's good time, and you can find the full code snipped in my Medium blog. Link is in the bio. Remember the magic trick when you pull one piece from a hat and it brings out more and more pieces? That's what we do here. I'm going to explain it as if the program is executing the code I have written, step by step. First piece, the main function. It's called the movies menu function, which presents the list of movie names to the user. Second piece, the menu function, the core UI logic. It takes the following parameters: an array of menu items, the count of those items, a callback function that will be called after the user selects one, a struct that collects all the user choices across menus, and finally the title of the menu. The menu function controls arrow navigation. The menu is controlled by 3 keys, arrow up, arrow down, and enter. I looked up their ASCII values and used switch cases to handle each key press. Highlighting with colors, drawing each item at the correct position. I made it as generic as possible so it can fit any kind of menu. This menu function uses goToXY to place the elements at specific coordinates on the terminal. At first, I wrote redundant lines of code using multiple if-else statements. Then I cleaned it up with a for loop, and that made the whole logic much neater. And set color is used to highlight the selected item, making the navigation visually clear. Third piece, the callback functions. Each time the user selects something, a movie, time, or ticket type, the corresponding callback saves the choices in the struct, call the next menu in the flow. It's like a chain reaction. Each menu triggers the next, and the struct keeps growing with the user's selections. This technique helps keep your logic clean and modular. You only focus on one task per function. Final piece, the billing function. After choosing the number of tickets, the program multiples that number by the ticket type's price. VIP is 50, middle is 30, and regular is 20. It then displays a final summary of the booking. I also added a simple check. If you enter a number higher than 10, it promotes you again with a validation message. That's basic input validation using a loop. All of that built in C. So if you ever feel C is too raw or too low level, try building something like this. It will give you a whole new respect for what's happening under the hood in the tools we are using now. See you in the next episode.